How to increase Gemini Credit Card spending limit. First of all, open the app on your device and log in to your account. Next, tap on the card section from the bottom bar to access your Gemini Credit Card settings. Scroll down and select the option for spending limit or credit limit. Here you can request an increase in your daily or monthly spending limit. Gemini may ask you to verify your identity and provide additional information such as your income, employment details, or account history to evaluate your request. Once submitted, your request will be reviewed by Gemini and you will receive a notification once your new spending limit is approved or if further information is required. After approval, your updated spending limit will take effect immediately, allowing you to make larger purchases with your Gemini credit card. Now you know how to increase your Gemini credit card spending limit safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.